Find a very comfortable seat. Maybe sit up on a block, a cushion, or even a chair if that helps you to sit tall. You can rest your hands on your thighs with the palms facing down or up. Maybe take some movement to arrive in the moment of now. You can do a few neck circles, rotating the chin from your left shoulder to your right and back, or maybe some shoulder rolls, or shifting your jaw gently from side to side to release any and all tension. When you're ready and very comfortable, close your eyes if they're still open, and see if you can soften your gaze even when the eyes are closed. The tiny muscles around your eyes soften and relax, become very smooth and completely at ease. Now, focus on your breath, the air moving in through your nose, and a big sigh out of your mouth. On your inhale, feeling your chest and belly expand. On your exhale, feel this sense of relaxation washing over you. Deep inhale, long exhale. Seal your lips now, allowing your breath to settle in a natural, rhythmic flow. In and out through your nose. Take note of how you're feeling right now in this moment. No judgment. What you feel and where you feel it is okay. Instead of trying to avoid feeling of uneasiness and discomfort by distracting yourself with other thoughts, be in this moment and accept where you are and how you're feeling right now. How you're feeling right now is okay. Slowly coming back, becoming aware of your surroundings and whatever you're sitting on. Notice if you feel any different now as opposed to when we first started this practice. You may feel more calm, relaxed, or just very present in the moment of now. Or maybe not, and that too is okay. To close, let's bring your hands together in front of the chest. Dip the chin slightly. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes again. Namaste. If you like this practice, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and like this video. I put out new videos every week. Thank you again and practice again with you soon. Namaste.